Welcome, friends, and happy New Year. Today, I'm not going to discuss about any in-depth technical stuffs or anything, but today I am going to explore a new concept like what is the maximum value that a variable in PowerShell can hold. That makes very simple, but can we write one program that can give us the maximum value? I know we can google it and we can get actual value from the maximum value of a float double or long integer, small integer, the maximum value you can get from there. But can we write a program that will say that this is the maximum amount of value that a variable can hold? So this is my IDE, that is Visual Studio Code, and let's try to write this code. So as you know, so for this activity we need one variable, and I'll give it like fantasy number, and I can put it like 0 or yeah. So this is a 0, and I want this to run till it gets the value, the maximum value. Okay, so I'll increment this by 1 and I'll check. That sounds crazy, right? But let's try. So I need a while loop that will run forever so that I can get the maximum value. So I'll say while loop, while I'll say just for true. So this will run forever because this true is always true, and I'll increment this fantasy number, and then I can print this number so that I can see what's the value. Right host and fantasy number. Let me try. I hope it will just pop out using my full speed CPU, and then bam, the number. Okay, let's run it. Okay. Oh, now it is running. Okay, 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, 4000, 5000, and just going on, going on, going on. Oh, but this is so small, right? It will take a long time. Okay, just to make a small tweak, can we do something better that gives some number very fast? Yeah, we can do a multiplication. If you multiply and make it something big like 1000 or 2000, whatever, and then I will do is like just give me the number, fantasy number into fantasy number. So what I'll do, I will just multiply this so that it will be exponentially big. Now let's see what happens. Fingers are crossed. Oh my god, it simply is simply showing infinity. So like it reached somewhere, it just showed. So we need that number. So let's check. So we'll put one sleep so that we can stop the code because it's too fast. Let start sleep for for 5 seconds. Let's see. So this will stop for 5 seconds before starting, and now let me, it is running. Okay, so 5 seconds is too much, I guess. Let me put some 1 second value so that per second it will give me a number. So the first one is 1 and 20. No, that's okay. So this is the number. This is the number that it gave, that it can't go beyond it. Is it the maximum number? Let me check it. So what I'll do, I'll put this number as starting. Okay, this is a big number, like it's 10 raised to 292, but I don't think it's the maximum number. So because it is a multiplication, so what I'll do, I will just multiplied it 2 each time, and let's see what happens. I will remove this and I'll try, and now see. Okay, so now we got more numbers. Certainly got more numbers, though those numbers were, so we have to run it again, and this time we need to be very quick. Okay, now I guess we got that number. Come on, give me that number. Yes, so here it is. So now you have a different, so this is the second one. This is definitely larger than that, and we can put it like here. So now we can comment the first one. So we have got the first one, we get this number. Now we have refined that thing and then go to the second number that is quite high. This is 10 raised to 308. My god, but is this a maximum number? Maybe not, because we are doing it double. So what we can do programmatically we can add these numbers plus 1 from here, but that will be huge calculation. So how we can get exactly the number that is a maximum number? Can I do something like do it manually and on the interpreter, try to use the interpreter? Like I can check if more than 308 can it take. So I will make it 309. Oops, so this is saying this is an error. So now it is certain that I can't go beyond 308 because the next value will be 309. So we know that 10 raised to 308 is the maximum value that it can reach. Okay, now I'll go and change the first value. It can be 2, the nearest possibility, and again we get an error. So it can't be 2, so it is 1. We're sure now. Now can we have 5 changed? Make it 6. No error. Cool. Make it 7. No error. Make it 8. See, 8. There is one error. So 8 can't be there. So it's 7. The next value, put it 8. Put it 9. We can't increase this, because if we increase this to 0 and make it 8, as you know, the 8 was not there, so you can't. So we have to 7, 9, and I guess this is the maximum number. If you replace everything with 9, it should not complain. Okay, now it is complaining, so we have to we can't go blindly. 7, okay, 7 is okay. 8, it is not there, so 7. Now for this, if 9, okay, 8, okay, 7, okay, 6, 5, okay, so 5 is there. 5 is, it is accepting 5. If I put 6, this is also fine. Okay, for 7, no, so 7 is not valid, so we have to put 6. So 9, 7, 6, then here 9, okay, 9, 9, 3, so it will be 2, 4 can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Can you make it 30? Well, we'll check it later. So make it whatever it can take. Okay, it took 9, 9, 9. I think it will take 9 for rest of the things, because the maximum value is like, so we have this. Now you change this thing to 3. Okay, it can't take 3, so 2. Okay, so this is the maximum value that I can have on this machine. If I have to calculate this thing, this is a 1.79769299999 into 10 to the power 308. So this is the maximum value that this compiler on this configuration can store in this machine. This value can change in machine to machine on a simpler bit, like somewhere you can say 6, this 6 can be 7, or in some compilers it can be different, but this is the maximum value that we can store. It's a double digit value. Thank you for watching and have a nice happy new year. If you like this video, please subscribe on my channel so that you can get notification for each new release of the videos. Thank you again.